Yes, he's back in the place again. He's forward again, Farmer John.
Yes. This is Farmer John, you know. Yeah, I just jump on the place, go check Kojak. And see, Kojak comes outside, and we, that's it. Yeah,
And we run things, you know.
And we run
Things not run
on
way.
the contract, you see. So, we just go and come in the place and drop in and just start sharp my cutlass. Kojak, you know, so we can understand the boy and him differently, you see. Yeah, so we go and sharp me tea, one thing that we can use it. By Monday, you see, things sharp and ready for the farm, you see. So it was that right and that right now. Tomorrow see how we see. No? Yeah man, that one direct man. Yeah man.
So you have to big up some of your friends I don't remember.
Yeah?
You have to big up some of your fans them.
That is smoky door.
No man, Stone Breeze.
Stone Breeze man.
Stone Breeze in Ghana.
Yeah, in Ghana, right, you know. But sometimes kind of slip me still because you know, you have to write down thing and that's what you say. When we look at book, we can just call it by the name and right there. That's it. You just try me that.
Enough. I don't write down with the name. I just remember them.
Yeah, man. Stone Brave, big up yourself, yeah.
Now Ghana.
You're not Ghana, you're a friend, man, depend on the Ghana. That's it. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah. You have a new friend named Pauline in the UK. Big up.
Pauline?
Yes.
Oh, big up Pauline in the UK, man. Yeah. This is Farmer John, right?
How about Cecile?
Cecile and Cathy and again one is friend man.
Yeah, Myla in West St. Bess.
Yeah, Myla, yeah.
You have Asia, new family. Asia, she's a new subscriber now.
Beat them up, big.
I don't hear her from Barbara in Australia. I don't know if she's alive or she dead or what. Let's hope she's not dead. Yeah, that me I say let's hope she's alive.
Barbara alright, man.
Well, we're glad to know that.
So one idea we meet up face to face in Jamaica, you see? Yeah. And tour in Jamaica all ball players and different and yeah. This is Farmer John, man.
You have to big up Stamina Dad in
Stamina. Yeah, big up Stamina Dad.
Texas.
Yeah, Texas, I say, man. Yeah.
Big up Captain Frenchman in Kenya.
Captain Frenchman in Kenya.
Kenya. Africa. That's Africa.
Yes, South Africa people, man. Big one itself,
You have also a youth down there called Jackson in Kenya, and I like to watch it. Remember him first time right now, watching Jackson, Kenya.
Hey man, big one itself, man. It's Farmer John, yes sir.
In fact, big up everyone in Africa we watch the channel.
Everyone watch the channel.
America same way, no?
England same way.
Canada.
What I'm placing. Yourself, you know. Farmer John there right now, man. Live and Eric.
Sometimes I kind of shake up a little my fans, so bear with me, no cause I hold up the. I'm not young like back in the days when the reflex them strong.
Right.
Sometimes I want to laugh too. Cause you have to laugh at times.
Yeah, man, you have time, John. Laugh at it, you know?
Nah, when they going is bad, you have to still laugh sometimes.
Right.
Smile.
Yeah, you know?
Can't teach you that hope you laugh.
Get the chin.
Tell her if you laugh.
Laugh, tell the chin.
Tell Cecile if you
laugh, Cecile.
Tell
No, get more jokes.
Tell Stamina Dad if you laugh.
Stamina Dad, no.
Well, so what if you laugh? We want Polly if you laugh.
Yeah. Polly.
My friend loved one not feel well still though. We have to big her up, you know, in Canada, you know.
Big up.
Yeah, man, she kind of, you know, sickly some weird, you know, but she's a very nice friend, you know.
Yeah.
Big up my friend and I wish you a speedy recovery, you know.
Right. Yeah, man, big up everybody, man.
Wow.
Glad you know, and that's it.
Big up all fans, man.
Yeah, man. Right around the world. Yeah, man. So, you know, watch out my last in the meantime. That's it. Yeah, you know.
So you sound my fan.
That's how you shot my last in Jamaica. Yeah. All about the shot last. I'm a John, say that, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Do some serious work with that machete today, you know.
Yeah.
In the jungle.
Yeah, man.
Put in 5 hours worth of work with it. 5 hours.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, clear up the jungle.
Yeah. That's a piece, you know?
So it's very important, you know.
Yeah, man. Right now.
Right now, because
Right
like
now.
we have to go try buy more machete too.
Yeah, you know? Yeah.
Have them. I stand by me, file me out today.
Alright.
Like some angel guide me. After about 6 months from I didn't see it.
Yeah.
And like the angel just guide me. And says, send me at a spot.
Yes, he comes.
Yeah, me say it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I believe in God, you know, and spirituality and do good.
Yeah, man.
You know, I want to do no wicked thing, you know. I no evil thing. Good things. Yeah, man. Good things I want to do for my John, you know.
Yeah,
and
man.
God will guide you towards good people, you know.
God and protect me.
Yeah, man, and make we meet good people, good loving people.
Yeah, man.
All them plane crash what happened in America. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
See a plane fall out of the sky as it took off, man, and drop right in the mall up in Philadelphia.
Yeah,
very scary something. 6 people was on board. You know, so all of them get killed.
Yeah, sorry to hear that, you know?
Doctor get killed, all the little youth, the patient.
Yeah.
And pilot and, you know, all of them, man. And the big one, the other one, we go down to the Potomac River, the American Eagle airline with the black Ark helicopter, the copter, right down in the Potomac River.
Oh,
man,
that's bad.
DC area there.
Sad here, no?
Yep.
Sad. Yeah,
life goes on, still here.
Yeah.
So all them have to do stop fly helicopter near the road the airport, you know. Don't do them thing they're getting a train and have no helicopter flying near airspace.
Right.
So I heard that them kind of abandoned it now, you know, so them now and them flying at the airspace, which I never support, you know.
True.
For them to have a helicopter flying near, you know, commercial airport. If you big up Yellow Man too, you know, King Yellow Man.
Yeah, big up Yellow Man. Yellow Man, you see King Yellow Man.
Yeah.
This Father John, yes, sir.
I love to watch it.
One time we're going to meet officially, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, and we can do some music and things difference.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah.
I am telling you, say I am getting married in the morning, no Yellow Man.
Yeah, man.
You know any of that song what Yellow Man sing?
I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, bell, singing. You know?
She have your yellow, she have a lady yellow baby, not your yellow baby, you know. Was Rosie.
Right.
What else sing?
Huh?
You know any of that song?
Some nice song.
Them the one about Miss Hatchin, you have to sell the right thing.
Yeah, right. Some nice tune, man. You know, some nice tunes. I like it.
Same phone him love. I know. You know, remember Yellow song.
No.
You say, oh, you string a song at the dance.
Right.
You sing go Blueberry Hill, the cover version.
Yeah. Get married in the morning.
Only one song, Yellow do.
Yeah, look, nice song, man. Some nice song, you know. Yeah, big up to the other man. It's Father John, yeah? Yeah, man. Hope one day we may get together idea. You see it?
Yeah. Zongo.
Yeah, then tune, you know. Back tune them, the other man, man. Yeah, just ease yourself and know the boy. Life goes on, you know.
Yeah.
Right. And this is Father John, man. What's nothing, man. Yeah, man.
All you need so is health and strength and some money, Farmer John.
Yeah, health and strength and some money, man.
Yeah, to buy food and so forth.
Right.
I will give thanks to every little thing, you know, we not rob nobody.
No. We want to work on his bread and things.
Just work hard and, you know, give thanks to the little much we get.
That's right, and just ease yourself and do school, you know. I wonder, when I fuss and fight and, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
Remember to give the video a thumbs up, my fans. You like the video, you have to share the video, you have to tell other people about culture, country, lifestyle, YouTube channel, don't be selfish. Send it all around the world. All the people in the Philippines, make sure sell in the Quezon City, all over Manila.
Right, all over.
Same goes for Africa. Right throughout the continent of Africa, we want the channel to blow up, powerful.
So far, I really got that. I travel got that. I travel got this. Easy, you know? Yeah, man.
That is a 28 machete.
Yeah, man. It's easy, easy. We don't do this.
Yeah, well, a lot of people never do that yet, like sharp the machete, never in them life.
Never do it. So that's where it goes, Life goes on,
Kind of sharp meat different from you still. Me rub one side one way and then me turn to a different way.
Show me, it's like the two sides of keep on sharpening, don't more than so.
That's Farmer John in the house.
Yeah, man, Farmer John, man. Here again, man. I live out, I live out at all. Farmer John, I live out. See? Yeah. Pick up everybody, man.
Yes, sir. So, my fans, thanks everyone for watching this video. And look out for look out for a lot of videos,
Yeah.
in this month, February and beyond. Because we like to entertain the world, we try to inspire the people, and let people live more loving and nice, and, them feel happy.
So sometimes feel a person and then do not and done it.
Yes.
And find yourself, what part of John code of lifestyle?
Yes.
And the chip of the spirit.
Yeah, man.
The train out back, Yeah.
And bring happiness up on them face, and smile. Smile.
Yes, man.
Again, big up my fans, big up across the world,
Yeah.
So thanks
Big up
thanks everyone for watching this video. Remember, to give the video a thumbs up, and comment on the video, alright? Blessing to you and your family and loved ones.
Right.
Yes, until our next video drop again,
Right, that's right.
One love again, fans.
Yeah, man. Yeah, alright.
But not work.
Yeah.
Smiling
yes,
face.
Man. Smiling face, smiling,